among many drivers, from beginners to the most experienced. How to choose the perfect car color. Believe it or not, your car's color goes beyond aesthetics. It directly influences safety, thermal comfort, resale value, maintenance, and even the owner's personality. So, get ready for a complete guide to help you make the right decision when choosing the color of your next car. Colors aren't just visions, they're emotions. Each color has a psychological meaning that can influence our perceptions and even our behavior. And when it comes to cars, color psychology also comes into play. Did you know that white is associated with safety, purity, and freshness? That's why it's the most popular car color in the world. Silver conveys modernity, elegance, and technology, while black exudes sophistication, luxury, and power. But it doesn't stop there. Blue brings us tranquility, confidence, and security, while red is the color of sportiness, excitement, and passion. Yellow radiates joy, optimism, and energy, and green connects us with nature, sustainability, and harmony. Interesting, right? But remember, color psychology is just a guide. The final choice is yours. The important thing is that the color of your car brings you good vibes and represents your unique style. When it comes to cars, safety is the #1 item, and the color you choose can make all the difference in your visibility on the road. Studies show that light colors like white, silver, and yellow are more visible to other drivers and pedestrians, especially in low light conditions or adverse weather. Black, dark gray, and dark green can camouflage your car, increasing the risk of accidents. So, when choosing a color, remember, visibility is essential. Prioritize light colors and avoid dark tones, especially if you drive at night or in regions with fog or rain. Oh, and don't forget about the lighting. Headlights and taillights in good condition also guarantee your safety on the roads. You know that feeling of being in a sauna inside your car on a scorching hot day? The color you choose may be the culprit. Light colors like white and silver reflect the sun's heat, keeping the car's interior cooler. Dark colors like black and brown absorb heat, turning your car into a real greenhouse. In hot climates, choosing the right color makes all the difference. Prioritize light colors, use sun protection film, and keep the air conditioning always on point. In cold climates, darker colors can help you feel more cozy inside the car. But be careful. If you live in areas with snow or ice, dirt buildup and salt marks can be more frequent on dark-colored cars. Thinking of selling your car in the future? The color you choose today can influence the value you'll receive tomorrow. Neutral colors like white, silver, and gray tend to have lower depreciation over time. Fashionable colors may be tempting, but are they the right choice for you? Trends come and go, and what's cool today may be cheesy tomorrow. If you're looking for a car that values timelessness, invest in classic colors like white, silver, and black. These colors never go out of style and guarantee an elegant and sophisticated look for years to come. But if you have an adventurous spirit and like to be bold, vibrant colors like yellow, orange, and green might be your thing. Just remember that when it comes to resale, the audience for these colors may be smaller. Still unsure which color to choose? Relax, I'll give you some extra tips to help you with this decision. Define your lifestyle. Do you drive in places with a lot of dust? Live in a hot or cold region? Use the car for work or leisure? Your answers will help you eliminate some options. Take a test drive. Try different colors on different car models to see which one you like best. Consult a specialist. An automotive designer or consultant can help you choose the ideal color for your profile and needs. So, everyone, what color would you choose for your car? Remember, there is no right or wrong color. The important thing is that the color brings you joy, represents your style, and makes you feel good when driving. I hope this video has helped you clear up your doubts about how to choose the perfect car color. If you like the content, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and activate notifications so you don't miss any new videos. See you in the next video.